Welcome, Slicers! Today we are going to speak about Web3 technologies and present 6 ways companies can use Web3 technologies to gain a competitive advantage. Web3 technologies are emerging technologies that aim to make the internet more decentralized, more secure, and user-focused. Here are some ways that companies can use Web3 technologies to gain a competitive advantage. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is a new financial system built on blockchain technology that allows people to access financial services without intermediaries. DeFi has the potential to transform the financial industry by providing a more open, secure, transparent, and accessible financial system that is built on decentralized technology. Financial transactions are executed through smart contracts, which can automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Companies can leverage DeFi to streamline financial transactions, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Decentralized applications, or DApps. DApps are decentralized applications that run on the blockchain networks, which provide a secure, transparent, and decentralized environment for users. Unlike traditional applications that are centralized and run on a single server or data center, DApps run on a peer-to-peer network of computers that work together to execute the application logic. One of the most significant advantages is that there is no need for intermediaries. Companies can use DApps to provide a better user experience, reduce transaction costs, and increase security. Decentralized storage. Decentralized storage is a new approach to data storage that is based on distributed systems, such as blockchain technology. Unlike centralized storage, which relies on a single entity or organization to manage and store data, decentralized storage systems distribute data across multiple nodes or computers, providing greater security, accessibility, and availability. In decentralized storage, data is encrypted, fragmented, and distributed across multiple nodes, which work together to store and retrieve the data. This approach provides several advantages over centralized storage, including security, accessibility, availability, and cost-effectiveness. Overall, decentralized storage has the potential to transform the way data is stored, accessed, and secured, providing a more secure, accessible, and cost-effective approach to data storage. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between 2 or more parties directly written into code. They are stored on a blockchain network and automatically execute when certain conditions are met. Smart contracts allow for trustless and decentralized systems where transactions can be executed without intermediaries such as banks or other financial institutions. Smart contracts are programmed to perform specific functions such as transferring digital assets, verifying identity, and executing financial transactions. They are designed to be transparent, secure, and tamper-proof, as all transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be verified by anyone. Smart contracts are typically used in blockchain networks such as Ethereum, where they enable the creation of decentralized applications and decentralized autonomous organizations. Some common examples of smart contracts include escrow agreements, insurance policies, and supply chain management. Smart contracts can potentially transform a wide range of industries by providing a more secure, transparent, and efficient approach to contracts and transactions. Tokenization. Tokenization refers to converting real-world assets such as property, art, or securities into digital tokens that can be stored, traded, and managed on the blockchain network. Tokens are essentially digital representations of assets that are recorded on a decentralized ledger and can be exchanged like any other digital asset. Tokenization has several advantages over traditional asset ownership, including increased liquidity, fractional ownership, reduced costs, and transparency. Tokenization provides a more efficient, secure, and accessible way to own and trade assets and potentially democratize access to wealth and investment opportunities. Enhanced privacy. Web3 technologies provide enhanced privacy primarily because they are based on decentralized and peer-to-peer networks, which do not rely on a single central authority to manage and control data. This decentralized approach means that users have more control over their data and can choose what information they share and with whom. Specific ways in which Web3 technologies provide enhanced privacy include user-owned data, decentralized networks, encrypted networks, encrypted communication, anonymous transactions, and zero-knowledge proofs. Web3 technologies provide enhanced privacy by enabling users to own their data, communicate securely and anonymously, and use decentralized networks and encryption to protect data. This increased privacy is essential for individuals and organizations who want to protect their sensitive information and control their data. Web3 technologies allow companies to innovate, reduce costs, and differentiate themselves from competitors. By leveraging these emerging technologies, companies can gain a competitive advantage and position themselves for success in the future. So what happens to those that do not use Web3 technologies? Companies not adopting Web3 technologies may face several challenges in the coming years. Here are some potential consequences of not adopting Web3 technologies. Increased competition. As more companies adopt Web3 technologies, those that do not risk falling behind in efficiency, innovation, and customer experience. This could lead to increased competition and reduced market share for non-adopters. Disruption. Web3 technologies can potentially disrupt many industries, from finance to healthcare to supply chain management. Companies that do not adopt these technologies may find themselves at a disadvantage compared to those that do. Security risks. Traditional centralized systems are more vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can result in significant financial losses and reputational damage. Companies not adopting Web3 technologies may face increased security risks and be more vulnerable to data breaches. Missed opportunities. Web3 technologies offer many benefits, including increased efficiency, cost savings, and new revenue streams. Companies not adopting these technologies may miss out on these opportunities and fall behind their competitors. If you choose not to adopt Web3 technologies, you may face increased competition, disruption, security risks, and missed opportunities. Therefore, stay informed about the latest technological developments and explore ways to adopt these technologies to stay competitive in the rapidly changing business landscape. Slicer question of the week. Can you think of one reason not to use Web3 technologies and adjust to modern times? If you do, please share below. If you need a little push to prepare and strategize for a successful entry into Web3 technologies and into the metaverse, please get in touch with us. This is what we do at Slice XR. We make it easy for brands and businesses to establish a presence in the metaverse. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.